Welcome to Clean Production Story, where we uncover the industrial magic behind the world's most famous cup of coffee today. Step inside the massive Starbucks Reserve Roastery, a cathedral of coffee where engineering meets art in a spectacular display. This facility is not just a coffee shop, but a fully functioning factory designed to process millions of pounds annually. Every detail here is meticulously planned to transform humble seeds into the rich beverage enjoyed by millions around the globe. The journey begins at the loading dock, where thousands of burlap sacks arrive daily from the coffee belt regions. Inside these rugged sacks lie the raw green beans, dense and hard, holding the potential for incredible flavor profiles within. These beans are immediately poured into the intake system, begin their long and complex journey through this industrial wonderland. They are stored in massive silos, waiting for their turn to enter the rigorous cleaning and screening phase of production. Before roasting can begin, the beans must be purified through vibrating screens that shake loose any foreign dust or particles. Powerful magnets and destoners work tirelessly to ensure that only organic coffee material moves forward in the production line. Air classifiers use precise wind currents to separate the beans by density, removing any that are broken or underdeveloped. Now perfectly clean and uniform, the green beans travel along conveyors toward the heart of the operation, the roaster. Behold the master roaster, a magnificent beast of engineering capable of handling hundreds of pounds of beans in one batch. The process is a blend of science and intuition, monitored by experts who track temperature curves with extreme precision. The green beans are charged into the rotating drum, where intense heat begins to chemically alter their internal structure. Inside the drum, the beans tumble constantly to ensure even heating, slowly losing their moisture and turning yellow. As the temperature climbs, the beans transition from green to yellow and emit a grassy aroma similar to toasted bread. The Maillard reaction begins, developing complex sugars and unlocking the rich caramel notes we associate with high-quality coffee. Suddenly, the first crack occurs, an audible pop indicating the beans are expanding and releasing built-up steam and pressure. The roast continues to deepen, and the beans grow larger while their color shifts to a beautiful, rich mahogany brown. The roast master pulls a sample to inspect the progress visually, ensuring the roast profile matches the strict standards. Timing is everything here. A few seconds too long can ruin the batch, while too short leaves it undeveloped. For darker roasts, we wait for the second crack, where oils rise to the surface, creating a shiny appearance. At the critical moment, the beans are released into the cooling tray to instantly stop the roasting process. Rotating arms stir the beans continuously, while cool air is drawn through the bed to lock in the flavor. The transformation is complete. The hard green seeds are now fragile, aromatic, and ready for the next stage of transport. Look up, and you will see the pneumatic transport system, a network of copper pipes that serves as a highway. Using precise air pressure, the roasted beans are propelled through these tubes, traveling silently above the heads of visitors. This pneumatic system prevents breakage and ensures the beans are moved gently but efficiently to their destination silos. The beans arrive at the degassing silos, where they rest and release carbon dioxide built up during the roasting process. These stunning copper casks are not just for storage, they are a visual centerpiece, celebrating the precious cargo inside. Resting is crucial because fresh roasted coffee releases gas that could otherwise cause bags to burst or affect flavor. The sound of beans traveling through the pipes creates a unique rain-like melody that fills the entire roastery space. Some beans are routed directly to the bar, offering the freshest possible coffee experience to the customers watching nearby. Imagine sipping coffee made from beans that were roasting just moments ago, delivered by air right to your cup. But before any batch is approved for packaging, it must pass the rigorous standards of the quality control team. Samples are taken from every single roast to measure moisture content, color consistency, and physical bean integrity. The beans are ground fresh and prepared for cupping, the industry standard method for evaluating coffee aroma and taste. Hot water is poured over the grounds, creating a crust that traps the aroma, ready for the sensory evaluation. The taster breaks the crust and inhales deeply, analyzing the complex fragrance notes released by the wet grounds. They slurp the coffee noisily to spray it across their tongue, allowing them to detect subtle nuances of acidity. Every attribute is scored, from body and acidity to aftertaste, ensuring the roast meets the specific flavor profile. For signature blends, beans from different origins are mixed together to create a balanced and consistent flavor experience. Massive blenders gently combine the beans, ensuring that every bag contains the perfect ratio of the intended recipe. This blending art allows them to maintain the signature taste customers love, regardless of seasonal crop variations. Once approved, the coffee moves to the packaging line, a marvel of automation designed for speed and preservation. Rolls of foil material are fed into the machine, which forms them into the iconic bags we recognize instantly. A critical component is the one-way valve, which allows CO2 to escape without letting damaging oxygen enter the bag. High-speed weighers drop the exact amount of beans into each bag, ensuring customers get exactly what they paid for. Heat sealers clamp down instantly, locking in the freshness and aroma that was developed during the roasting process. The sealed bags pass through X-ray scanners to guarantee safety, ensuring no foreign objects have entered the final product. Robotic arms work with tireless precision, packing the bags into cartons ready for global distribution and logistics. Automated vehicles transport the pallets to the warehouse, where they await shipments to cafes and stores worldwide. From this central hub, the coffee travels thousands of miles to reach millions of customers in different countries. This process honors the hard work of farmers by treating their harvest with the utmost respect and care. Ultimately, all this technology serves one simple purpose: to deliver a perfect espresso shot into your waiting cup. It connects people, fuels conversations, and creates moments of joy in our busy, fast-paced modern lives. The Starbucks Reserve Roastery stands as a beacon of coffee culture, showcasing the transparent journey of production. It is a testament to how far the coffee industry has come, blending tradition with cutting-edge industrial innovation. From the humble green bean to the aromatic roasted delight, we have witnessed the entire life cycle of industrial coffee. So the next time you take a sip, remember the incredible journey and engineering that made it possible. Every cup tells a story of global cooperation, scientific precision, and a passion for the culinary arts. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating tour behind the scenes of one of the world's largest roasteries. If you enjoyed this deep dive into manufacturing, please subscribe to Clean Production Story for more industrial insights. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow coffee lovers who appreciate the science of roasting. We will see you in the next episode, uncovering more secrets behind the products you use every single day. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the amazing world of clean production with us. Goodbye for now. Clean Production Story, where every product has a fascinating tale to tell. See you in the next video. Watch closely as the drum rotates, a hypnotic motion that ensures every bean receives the exact same heat treatment. The texture of the bean changes dramatically, depending brittle and porous, which allows water to extract flavor easily. Human oversight remains essential, adding a layer of care and intuition that no computer can fully replace. Yet, that aroma you love is actually a complex mix of volatile compounds released during the roasting and brewing process. It all starts here, with a simple seed that has traveled oceans to reach this state-of-the-art facility. Speed and precision define the modern era of coffee production, ensuring quality at a scale never seen before. Thank you for watching Clean Production Story. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing factory tours.